Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to crochet the easiest pattern of headband. I'm going to show you this yarn, this type of yarn. It's called Bosphorus. It's from Waffle brand, and you can use any yarn you want, but this type of yarn is amazing, so soft, and the color is so beautiful. And this is a shiny hollow yarn, and they have really beautiful colors, and I will try to find some alternative of this yarn for you, and I will put the link in description of this video. And you will need 4.5 millimeters crochet hook for this yarn. How I said, you need 4.5 millimeters crochet hook or 5 millimeters crochet hook for this yarn and for this project, and start with slip knot. I'm going to make a headband for adult, so you can follow me, or if you want to make a smaller headband, you should make less chains on the beginning. But now I'm going to make 91 chains. So chain 91, and then you can meet me back. So now you can pause the video and meet me back again when you have done 91 chains. Okay, and from now we are going to make just single crochets and start in the second chain and make one single crochet. And also you can make half double crochets if you want. It will be a little different pattern, but it will be nice as well. So it's up to you if you will make just single crochets or just half double crochets. So I'm going to make single crochets and make one single crochet in each chain across. And if you will make half double crochets, you will start in the second chain as well. So continue working and then meet me back at the end of this row. Okay, and you have to make last single crochet in very last chain. And this yarn is so colorful and the colors are so beautiful. I really like this yarn. Okay, now chain one and turn your work. Okay, and now we are going to make one single crochet in each stitch across, and you will start always in every row in the very first stitch. And from now we are going to use just back loop. If you make half double crochets, you will work exactly the same. So you will start in the first stitch and you will use just back loop. I want to show you just what I mean exactly. I mean just this back loop. So you will not use stitches, but you will use just this back loop. So make one single crochet in each stitch across and start in the very first stitch. Let me know if you like this easy pattern of headband, or if you like the yarn. And if you like it, I will be happy for thumb up. Okay, continue working one single crochet in each back loop across and meet me back again at the end of this row. I'm at the end of the row and now you can see 2 stitches left. So if you are not sure, just turn it and you have to see this chain. So this is a stitch where I'm going to make one single crochet in back loop, and always in very last stitch I make a single crochet in the stitch. So it's up to you if you will use a back loop in very last stitch or just stitch. So chain 1, turn your work again and continue working exactly the same like in previous row. Okay, continue working one single crochet in each stitch across and to make as many rows as you want to have the width of headband. And then I will show you what next. So now you can pause the video and meet me back again. And always remember, you need to make chain 1 on the start of each row, and you need to start always in very first stitch. I just want to show you again the yarn, because it's really pretty yarn with shine, and it can be great yarn for jumpers or for blankets, hats. Okay, and this is how it looks like, but I made this headband from half double crochet, so I just want to show you how it looks like when you would use half double crochets, and at the end make a slip stitch and cut the yarn and keep the tail longer because we are going to use it. We have to join both sides together. So now take a yarn needle and I'm going to show you the headband from single crochets. I think it's pretty easy, and now we have to join it and make it nice. So it's going to be twisted headband, so we need to join both sides together with yarn needle, and it's pretty easy to do, and you can make any pattern you want and just make this nice twisted headband with other pattern, or you can knit, so it's up to you. And now take both sides and insert the right side to the left side like this. Just follow me. You need to put each sides together. So you need to insert each sides together like this, and now just make a few stitches and sew it with your favorite stitch. Just make sure you always insert your needle through all four parts of headband, and then you can make just slip knot, and that's all. And we are on the wrong side of headband, so it's okay when you make slip knot and then just cut the yarn, or you can sew it inside and then you can cut the yarn and just turn it on the right side. And this is how it looks like, and I think it's beautiful. Okay, and that's all for today from me. I hope you like the pattern. I hope you like this tutorial. If it's not understandable enough for you, just write me here below the video. And thank you very much for watching, and see you soon. Bye bye.